Alright, welcome back again, scooter guys. This is going to be a quick one. This time we're talking about deleting the factory US model secondary kill switch, which is pretty useless because you have a key, you can just turn it off, and installing the Japanese headlight on and off switch and making that work with your US wiring. Now, you probably already noticed I have a DJ50 headset on here, but if you go back and watch our DJ50 video, you'll know that we're using the original cluster, harness, and switches, with the exception of this one headlight on and off switch from the SA50. So it has its original US cluster and wiring harness and controls. Alright, the first thing you're going to need to do is take your plug for your original kill switch. You'll see I've just got it unplugged in there. That's really all you need to do to delete the kill switch. It's not even used at this point. And now your key is going to work just like a Japan bike. The only other thing you need to do to make your headlights work is you're going to need the switch from a Japanese bike. It does fit into the bezel, and the pigtail going to the switch. You'll see I just used it to make a jumper harness. It runs right across here to the headlight high and low switch. Now you got a better look at it. All I did was take the center leg here, which is yellow on the US SA50 harness, and cut it. And I made it where I can undo the jumper later and always plug it back in the stock configuration. It doesn't matter if you use this type of termination or not, but all we're doing is using the Japan switch as a toggle switch basically to break the circuit on this yellow wire, which is the center leg for the high and low beam switch. If you break that leg, all you got to do is turn it off. It breaks the circuit. Your headlights will turn off. When you turn it back on, it reconnects the circuit and allows the headlights to come back on. Now your bike will operate just like a Japanese bike. When you put it back together, your buddies won't even know that you did this, and they'll wonder how you did it. Got it all back together. We're gonna fire it up and show you guys that it works.
I think we're done.
We're done?
I think so.
Should I drive out of the frame like
No.
that?
Guys, give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, seriously, I hope this is helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments. And do like and subscribe.
The thumbs up. The thumbs up.
Do it. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. Do I just walk off like this? Right.
Oh wait, there's another scooter. What?
But wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Now introducing the Slap Chop. Hi, I'm Vince from Slap Chop. You're gonna love my nuts.
Hey guys, just wanted to kind of update you on some things. We're going to start taking these technical videos in about 2 weeks after they launch on YouTube. We're going to be putting them on our Facebook page. The link to the Facebook page will be in the description below. We're going to first have some of the videos, the technical ones from Season 1, and then the ones like you're seeing now are going to slowly come in about 2 weeks after they premiere on YouTube. Something else I want to update you on, just kind of like the editing side of things, like what I do, the filming editing. Last time we had all my gear from New Orleans down at Jeff's house, the 2 monitors, the large chair, the desk, everything in Carl's editing cave. We're not doing that right now for this season. I'm just in one of other Jeff's rooms with his laptop, same one we took to California with us, and a kitchen chair, which is what we're editing on right now. Just kind of give you guys an idea in case you're ever wondering what's Carl editing on or what's the editing setup. And we're just shooting things on a Sony A7 III if you ever wondered that. Just kind of in case you ever wonder what that side of things are. You might not care, I don't know. Another update you may have seen in some videos, and that is Jeff and Raven have painted the garage. It used to be a very nasty kind of color before. Now it's a nice light gray. Looks very good. Hope you're enjoying it, the aesthetics. They also recently painted another room in the house light gray. It's, as Jeff calls it, it's the engine room. Yes, Jeff wants to have a clean room to tear down and rebuild engines in. So look forward to that, guys, because that's going to be some interesting content. Because it leads into more things in the future. Recently, we set up an address, which this is it on the screen right now. It's also in the description below. It's also on our About section. The reason kind of stuff this is for anybody like sponsors or anything, they have an address to send to. But I'm telling you guys about it because we wanted to do live streams in the future, but the internet connection at Jeff's house is very bad where we can't upload anything, let alone do a live stream. In town, we might be able to pull it off, but we're just crossing his fingers. I'm not very hopeful of it. But what I wanted to do is give you guys a way to maybe send in questions that you really wouldn't put on a comment on a, let's say, scooter video. You wouldn't ask a question maybe like, "Hey Jeff, how'd you get into cars?" Or, "Hey Jeff, what's your favorite drift car?" Or maybe you have a really long specific technical question that just shouldn't be on a comment section because it's really long and very specific. We wanted to give you guys a way to like maybe type up those letters or whatever, kind of like fan mail. Guess not really like fan mail, it is fan mail. But anyway, give you guys a way to kind of send that in to us and for us to get it and read it and respond. But yeah, that's kind of something we want to do in the future. We wanted to do it live, but can't do right now. So yeah, that's a little update for you guys. Hope you're enjoying the new content, and stay tuned, subscribe, and like, and all that jazzy stuff YouTube recommends for the algorithm. Anyway, see you guys next time.